So it's officially December, and that means we're on our countdown to Christmas. And guys, I haven't even started doing anything yet. So you guys got to help me get motivated by letting me know your plans for the holiday season. I'm Amy, and I'm on a mission to become a better cook. Click the subscribe button below to join me. So we're in holiday mood, and it's Wednesday. So what's up? December 1 means we are officially on the countdown to Christmas. And I've been watching a lot of Christmas movies, and we got our tree on Sunday, but that's all I've done so far. I haven't decorated, I haven't put lights on the tree, I haven't done anything because, of course, I'm at work, right? But we're screaming into the holiday. I got a lot of plans on some things that I want to cook, and I'll bring you along with me on that. This last couple of weeks, I got a new piece of Temp-tations that's a holiday pattern. I thought it was kind of cute. We could use it this year because it's got some Santas on it, it's got some Christmas trees, and I thought it was really cute. So I'm looking forward to using that. So guys, what are you doing this holiday season? Put down in the description what you're doing. I need some motivation, right? I got to get my decorating done, and I need some motivation to get that done. So let me know, is there anything special you're doing? You got any tablescape ideas? You got any cooking ideas? Put it down in the description. You can also join my Facebook page at facebook.com/group/Amy Learns to Cook. We're talking about cookware, tablescapes, and I think this week we should talk about what we're asking Santa for. Are we asking for any kitchen gadgets and what that is? Because there's a lot of hot things this year and a lot of fun things we can add for our kitchen for the upcoming year. So let's do a little unboxing of the Temp-tations I got because it's really cute. So let me go grab it. Since it's Wednesday, and the holidays are coming up, we need some new holiday bakeware, right? So I got this from Temp-tations. I was lucky to get it because this pattern sells out really fast because it's got some Santas and some Christmas trees, I think, and stuff like that. So let's get this baby open. We got some Christmas Temp-tations. I'm mainly going to use this for serving, right? I think we had this set in firework, so now we have it in holiday. Awesome. Whoa, look at this. This is like sticking here. Look at the static. So we have our usual frequently asked questions and information about Temp-tations. Woo! This is a pretty cool set, guys. I have something similar in firework. But this is holiday. So I have these over here to protect my stove. So it comes with this big, huge carry bag, which is great because if you're going to any kind of Christmas potlucks or parties or anything like that, and you want to take this along with you, right? Perfect. And
you could go on a Santa Claus picnic.
A Santa Claus picnic? It's a little cold around here for a Santa Claus picnic, but I'm down for that if you can find a warm place. If you live down south or out west, right? Woo! I like this set. This set was disappearing like hotcakes. So it has these little things to hold your bakers in here while you're transporting. And we have some recipes. These look pretty cool. So we have some skewers. We have what looks to be brownies with caramel, salted caramel. We have a nice little enchiladas, meatball sub casserole. Awesome. And with this, we get some little mitts. Cool. Right? These are always good to have. And here's, oh geez, I really, really like this. So this is technically Old World, but it's different because it has some scenes on the inside that are really, really adorable. And this is why people were really wanting these, because they have these cute little scenes. So here's our baker, and look at that. It's got Santa with the cute little oven, and it has a snowman down here and a penguin and a gingerbread man. That is so cute. I absolutely love it. Look at this baker. Isn't that cute? This is a 13 by 9. So this is a huge baker, and I absolutely love the little scene on it. That is so adorable. I already love this set. And we have a lidded, which is basically a cover for that. And look at that. We got Santa hanging out in front of the fireplace. Got his stockings. We got snowman. We got penguin. We have a little gingerbread man. That is absolutely adorable. And this is a classic lidded that goes on here. And finally, it comes with a second lidded, if you can believe that. And look at that scene. We got a sleigh, we got a Christmas tree, we have a mailbox with a present in there. I love it. I love it. Look at that. That's adorable. Same thing with our lidded. Wow, these are amazing. These are great for serving. You can put those two pieces out.
You can put cookies and stuff on them.
You can put cookies, you can put cookie platters out, other kind of treats out, and just have a little cookie party for Christmas. And here is our rack. Oh, here's our plastic cover for the baker. And also it came with a little spatula. Cute. And of course we have our storage box here. A little hot box. And like all other Temptations, the way this works is you can put this in here and you can put this here. This is a lidded. So you can do like a covered casserole in here. You just need to be careful with these liddeds that you have food on all parts of this. You just don't want food on one side because you could crack it. It's stoneware. So it's very rugged, but also it doesn't respond to temperature changes like metal does. So you have to be very careful in that regard. But look at that. I love this. This is absolutely adorable. So we got Santa in front of the fireplace. We got the Christmas tree lit it with the sleigh. And we have the baker with Santa in the stove. This is so cute. I love it. So that Temp-tations was so cute. I love the little holiday scenes on the liddits. I'm looking forward to putting some cookies on that, right? So, what are you guys asking for Santa for? What are you planning for the holidays? Let me know down in the comments again, and join my Facebook, and let's start talking about gadgets, right? What are you asking Santa for? Because I haven't made my Santa list yet, Eric. So I don't exactly know what I want yet. So I need some ideas on that. So if you have any for me, leave a comment down below or join my Facebook group and let's talk about it. So what's up? It's Wednesday. I hope you guys are having a great week. We're plowing into the holidays and the week is halfway over. We're headed for the weekend and I'm excited because I'm going to decorate the tree. So looking forward to that. I hope you're having a great one. Thanks for joining me. If you like this video, please subscribe below and leave me a comment and a like. Also visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. I'm on Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook. On Facebook, like I said, Facebook groups, I'm at Amy Learns to Cook. And on Instagram, I'm at Cooking with Amy.
Oh, Santa, I just want one little thing. Invisible ink for Amy's shopping list, Christmas list.